One of the most common problems that you're going to have with the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter cargo van is the EGR valve. I experienced it, and I'm here to save you from heartache and huge financial setbacks. Okay, so here are the symptoms that you should not ignore. The jerks. All right, you're going to be driving and you're just going to get a jerk. And eventually, these jerks are going to get more and more violent. To give you an example what I mean, just imagine you're driving in your Sprinter cargo van and someone just hits you from the back. This is how violent the jerks will get. Another symptom that you should not ignore is the loss of power. You will get a loss of power just going up the hills, going down the hill, just going up a hill, taking the left turn, taking a U-turn. It's like, or you can be at a stop sign or a red light, and then you got the go ahead to go, and you put your foot on the pedal, and it's like the vehicle is trying to go, but it just can't get enough power, and then eventually it will give. So these are some of the most common symptoms that I experienced, and it really wears you down. So what led to me getting my EGR valve fixed? Many people experience this. I've seen so many videos. I've read a lot of blogs and stuff. And what people have experienced, the bad experience they had, it wasn't the Sprinter. What it is the techs, okay? As I am known for letting people know, your Sprinter cargo van, your business is only as good as the techs that work on it. So I found out after losing all of my money and almost losing my business that when you have a Mercedes Sprinter cargo van, you have to have a specialist. Okay? Like I said, your business and your Sprinter is only as good as your specialist. So what led me to getting a Mercedes-Benz specialist? Well, 2 years of hell. I'm not going to go over that. You can watch that video. I'll have that popping up here now. And luckily, there was an individual who worked at this dealership that I bought this brand new from. After 2 years, this individual, they just couldn't take it anymore. And they end up informing me that they were not instructed to inform me that I needed to take my Sprinter van to Birmingham. And so that's what I did. I took it to the Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham, the Hoover campus, and that led me to the Sprinter doctor. The Sprinter doctor saved my business and my life. I'll have him tagged here. He's also on YouTube. And so this is it really hurts to say this, but this is a very, very simple fix. Okay. The reason why so many people have the EGR valve problem is because when they get the Sprinter van, they take it to someone whom is not a specialist. Let me tell you about the Sprinter doctor. He has over 2 decades of experience with Mercedes and a decade of experience working on Sprinter vans. So he is a specialist. Okay, you just can't take your Sprinter van to any shop or any Mercedes-Benz dealership just because you may buy a Mercedes Sprinter cargo van from a Mercedes Benz dealership. That does not mean that they specialize in a Sprinter van. Okay, I learned that lesson. Learn from me. All right, I just saved you all types of time and headache, and a whole lot of money is going back into your pocket now. So like I said, there's a simple fix. So the procedure is, first thing that they have to do, and this is to help you if you go to an incompetent dealership like I did, they replaced it. That's not what's supposed to happen. The procedure that they have to do is they have to clean the EGR valve first. All right. So the problem that's going on with the EGR valve is staying stuck closed or staying stuck open. So they're going to have to clean it first. All right. And they're going to put you back on the road. And if the problems come back, then they replace it. Okay. So that's how simple it was once I took it to the Sprinter doctor at the Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham. Now, here's another thing that I did not know, and that is you got to have special hands, okay? And you got to have that special chip that's implanted into the specialist by Mercedes. This is the only way that it works, okay? The Sprinter doctor, he has the special hands and he has the chip implanted inside of him. So you will be in good hands. Now, the only thing is when you take your vehicle to the Sprinter doctor, you're going to have to do this like little ritual dance. It's kind of hard to do it, and you throw your hands up in the air, and then like you move your hips a little bit, and then you circle around your Sprinter van, and then the magic just starts to happen. It's a weird thing, but this is the only way that you'll be able to get your Sprinter van back on the road. And I'm telling you, the performance after I did the ritual dance with him, and we made like these little weird noises and stuff like that, and like we was like pouring love, like speaking to the Sprinter van, and then I left, and then he worked his magic on the Sprinter van. That's when everything just clicked. Okay, the performance after he worked his magic on it, it was a great experience. I hate that I had to go through what I went through, but it was a night and day. Okay, and he's been able to put me back on the road through his experience, through the ritual dancing and all the weird noises and stuff that we had to make and dance around the Sprinter van. No complaints. And so he has gotten all of my business. So there's other services that I have I've had here recently, and like I said, I just take it to the Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham at the Hoover campus, and the Sprinter doctor saved my life, saved my business, and I want to share this all with you all to inform you that you can still have a great experience with the Mercedes Sprinter cargo van. Unfortunately, Mercedes do a bad job. The dealerships do a bad job of educating people who buy Sprinter vans, and this is why this community is so important. And I want to be you all's trusted guide and share as much with you all so you can have a good time and not have to worry about anything. Because I'm telling you, when you have a trusted specialist that can take care of you, the Sprinter van is perfect. I highly recommend it. Even though I lost everything, the fact that I'm able to keep working is because of him. Okay, so that's my experience. And also, when you get the Sprinter van, it's under warranty. So none of this came out of pocket for me. It's all under warranty. With the Sprinter van that I got, I think I had like 100-some thousand miles warranty on it, so that was covered. The only thing was, which I'm trying to educate you on, is you have to make sure that you have a specialist. This is going to save you so much time and money and give you a great experience. So thank you all for watching. A huge shout out to the Sprinter doctor. Make sure you all follow him. This is what he does. This guy is really cool. I've met him plenty of times, and I want to share this with you all so you all can have a great experience with your Sprinter van. Okay, like I said before, your business, your Sprinter van is only as good as the specialist in your marketplace. I do not recommend you getting a Mercedes Sprinter cargo van if you do not have a Sprinter specialist in your local marketplace. Thank you all for watching. Safe travels out there on the road, and I will see you on the next one.